A Frontier router typically indicates it is working properly with a steady green light. However, if the green light is flashing, there may be a problem. Some common causes of a flashing green light include the router attempting to connect to the internet, a firmware update in progress, or power issues such as an inconsistent power supply or voltage disruption, which could be due to problems with the electrical socket. To resolve this issue, it's essential to identify the cause. If the router is attempting to connect to the internet, checking the internet status by contacting the provider may help resolve the issue. If a firmware update is in progress, ensuring the router is connected to the internet should allow the update to complete, after which the light should return to a solid green. In cases where power issues are suspected, plugging the router into a different electrical outlet can help determine if the problem lies with the outlet. By troubleshooting these potential causes, the flashing green light can be addressed, and the router can return to normal operation.